Cookers on pretty people. Wow, look at me pretending to be organized. Kettle's boiling. That's just anxiety in surround sound. Now operation. Throw away my guilt. Goodbye sad fruit, goodbye soda cans. You've served your purpose. Dishwasher full, sink tragic. And just like that, empty sink. Domestic magic, baby. Baby's apples steaming, the only gourmet meal happening here. Lentils simmering, smells better than it looks, trust me. Now the main event, roti time. We're rolling, flipping, puffing, slightly burning. It's basically a full workout and a spiritual journey. Finally, chickpea curry. A little thin, but we call that gravy with confidence.